Welcome to Rannkly, your go-to platform for managing your online reputation. In this video, we'll show you how to reply to reviews using Rannkly's intuitive interface. Let's get started. Log into your Rannkly account and head to the dashboard. On the left-hand menu, locate My Reviews right below the dashboard option. Click on My Reviews. As you enter the My Reviews section, you'll find a list of your reviews on the right side. To reply to a specific review, click on the Reply button associated with that review. A pop-up window will appear, offering you several options to craft your reply. Option 1. If you'd like to respond with your custom message, simply type your content into the input box and click Publish Response. Option 2. If you prefer to use a predefined template, click on Choose Template. Select the template that suits your response and click Publish Response. Option 3. For an extra dose of efficiency, Rannkly offers AI-powered responses. Click on Generate Smart Reply and watch as AI begins crafting your response. Once you're satisfied, click Publish Response. Option 4. Need a little inspiration? Rannkly also provides smart suggestions to help you compose your reply. Click on Publish Response. And that's it. You've successfully replied to your review using Rannkly's flexible options. This makes managing your online reputation a breeze. As you see, the reply is published on Google My Business platform. Thanks for choosing Rannkly for your review management needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.